Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today is our maths class. Okay, and the date is 18th January 2021. Okay, and the topic is money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. So, children, money is any medium of exchange that can be used to pay for goods and services. For our daily needs, we have to buy various things from the market. For buying things, we have to pay money to the shopkeepers. Means जब हम कहीं शॉप पर जाते हैं, कुछ भी लेते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? मनी एक्सचेंज करते हैं. कुछ भी हमें ख़रीदना होता है तो हम उसके लिए क्या पे करते हैं? पैसे, मनी हम पे करते हैं. तो ये आज का टॉपिक हमारा है मनी. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, सो मनी comes in different shapes and sizes. It comes in metal like this, okay, metal, and paper. Okay, so children, money means paisa. Okay, and money comes in different shape and size, and it comes in metal and in paper. So children, coin, this is coin and this is note. Okay, so do you know what is the currency of India? Okay, so look at here. The currency of India is rupee. Okay, like this, rupee. Okay, this is the sign of rupee. Okay, so children, let's learn about coins we use. So children, tell me, which coin is this? Yes, it is 1 rupee coin. Okay, 1 rupee coin. And which coin is this? Yes, it is 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. Okay, now next is 5. It is 5 rupee coin. And this is 10 rupee coin. So children, in Indian coins that we have 1, 2, 5 and 10 rupee coin. ओके, हमारे इंडियन करेंसी में 1, 2, 5 और 10 के ही 10 रुपीज़ के ही कॉइन हैं. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लेट्स लर्न अबाउट नोट्स वी यूज़. सो चिल्ड्रन, look at here. Which note is this? You can see 5. 5 number. So it is 5 rupee note. Okay, 5 rupee note. So children, we have also a 5 rupee coin and 5 rupee note. Okay. Now next is, which note is this? Yes, 10 rupee note. 10 rupee, 10, 10, 10 rupee note. And we use 10 rupee coin also. You can see 10 rupee coin, and this is 10 rupee note. Okay, this is coin and this is note. Okay, and which note is this? Yes, 20, 20 rupees. It is 20 rupee note. 20 rupee note. Okay, and which note is this? Look at here. 100, 100, 100 means 100 rupee note. Okay, 100 rupee note. It is 100 rupee note. Now next is 500 means 500. 100 means 100 and 500 means 500. Okay, 500. 500 rupee note. It is 500 rupee note. Okay, so children, we have 5 rupee note and 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 100 rupee note and 500 rupee note. Okay, and we have also 5 rupee coin. Okay, and 10 rupee coin. Okay, so children, now open your numeracy book, means maths book, page number 159, 159. Here is the topic of money. Okay, money. So look at the coins we use. We already learned about it. Okay, so it is 1 rupee coin, it is 2 rupee coin, and it is 5 rupee coin, and it is 10 rupee coin. Okay, now move on page number 160, means 160. Look at the notes we use. So we have 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note and 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note, and this is 200. Okay, we have also 200 rupees note, and this is 500 rupees note, and this is 2000 means 30 means 1000. 2000 rupees note. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000 rupees notes. Okay, so children, on page number 161, 161, what we have to do on this page? We have to match the money. Okay, we have to match the money. So children, tell me, which note is this? Yes, 10 rupee note. 10 rupee note. Okay, so now look at here. Where is the 10 rupee note? Yes, here. So we have to match it. Okay, like this. Okay, now tell me, which coin is this? Yes, this is 2 rupee coin. Okay, 2 rupee coin. And where is 2 rupee coin in this line? Yes, here it is. Okay. Now, next is 500. 500 rupee note. This is 500 rupee note. Okay, now let's see where is the 500 rupee note. Yes, here it is. Okay, so let's match. Okay, now next is 2. 200. 200 rupees note. So where is the 200 rupee note? Look at here. Here it is. Okay, so let's match it. Yes, good. So children, now next, last one is 2000 rupees note. Okay, 2000 rupees note. So where is the 2000 rupees note? Yes. So let's match. Okay, so we have matched the money. Okay, so move on next page, page number 162. Okay, 162. So children, what we have to do? Let's see. How much money do we need to buy these things and match? यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो नंबर्स हैं 10, 30, 20, 40. ओके, तो हमें ये जो चीज़ें हैं कितने रुपए में हमें कितना मनी हमें देना होगा यहाँ से वो हमें मैच करना है. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव 5 to 5 rupees coin means we have 10 rupee coin. Okay, and 20 rupee note plus 20 rupee note plus this is 10 rupee note means here we have 40 rupees. Okay, 40 rupees. 40 rupees. 10 and 10, 20, 20 or 20, 40. So, हमें यहाँ पर कौन सी चीज़ 40 रुपीज़ में लेनी है? Yes, tomato. Here the price is when 40 rupees. So we will match it. Okay, 40 rupees. Okay, now next is here we have 2 5 rupees coin. Okay, 5 means 10 rupees plus it is 10 rupee note. 10. So 10 and 10, 20. Okay, 20 rupees. Here we have 20 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees. So which thing will we buy from 20 rupees? Okay, this one. 20 rupees. Okay, this is cucumber and we have to match it. Okay, now next is 5 and 5 means 10 rupees plus we have here 20 rupee note. So 10 and 20 means 30. Okay, 30 rupees. So What thing will buy from 30 rupees? Yes, this 30 rupees means capsicum. This capsicum. So we have to match it. Okay. Now next is 5 and 5, 10 rupees. So where is 10 rupees? Here. So we have to match it. हमने 10 रुपीज़ से क्या खरीदा? अनियन खरीदे. ओके 40 रुपीज़ से हमने, यहाँ हमारे पास थे 40 रुपीज़. 40 रुपीज़ से हमने क्या खरीदा? टोमेटो. एंड यहाँ हमारे पास थे 20 रुपीज़. तो 20 रुपीज़ से हमने क्या खरीदे? कुकुम्बर. ओके एंड यहाँ हमारे पास थे 30 रुपीज़. तो 30 रुपीज़ से हमने क्या खरीदे? कैप्सिकम. ओके एंड यहाँ हमारे पास थे 5 and 5, 10 रुपीज़. 10 रुपीज़ से हमने अनियन खरीदे. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मनी? सो चिल्ड्रेन, मनी फॉर आवर डेली लाइफ, डेली नीड्स, वी हैव टू बाय वेरियस थिंग. हम ये सब खरीदते हैं. और टॉयज़ भी जब हम लेते हैं, कुछ भी हम खरीदते हैं तो हमें क्या करना होता है? मनी देना होता है ना शॉपकीपर को. तो आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? मनी. सो मनी इज़ एनी मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज दैट कैन बी यूज्ड टू पे फॉर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. ओके चिल्ड्रन, मनी मीन्स पैसा ना. ये पैसे हैं ना, पैसा. मनी मीन्स पैसा. कॉइन्स and notes. Okay, coins and notes. And the currency of India is rupee. Okay, the currency of India is rupee. Okay, so children, you have to do this page number 161 and 162. Okay, you have to do this page and share with me. Okay children, bye bye and take care. God bless you all.